All right, on the bench we have a Uniden Madison, and this is the last version of the Madison that you could get. I believe there's 4 versions. So this one here is a result of 2 Madisons. This one, I don't know if you guys will remember, this one was same owner, same customer, but this board had so much glue in it that it was just really not worth putting the money and parts into it anymore. And on top of it, just this thing's seen better days. That front's ready to crack off. So he was fortunate enough to find one that was in a little bit better shape electronically, but it did take a tumble. You can see here. You can see it's pretty banged up. Yeah, it took a nasty, I don't know if it fell or whatever the case was. It definitely had seen better days. So the plan was to make one good radio, the best radio we can out of the 2. And this is the result of it. So it actually came out pretty nice. So the case, the bottom cover from this is going to go on this one, and the top cover from this one's going to go on this one too, because it's just banged up. I ended up swapping in a new button up here from the old one, and put a variable in the back for them. It was originally out here in the front, so I put that potentiometer back in, so that's back as RF gain again. And he has a variable in the back for driving whatever amp he's going to be driving. It's been recapped and aligned, and LEDs. So yeah, that's basically it for the radio. You know, the usual stuff. The only thing I have left to do is kind of just clean this up a little bit. There's some spots here and there that need to be cleaned, but I'm actually really busy, so I'm not going to do a full video on this, but I can show we can show what it's doing for power. Its synad is it's actually really good. It's right around 112 minus 112 dBm at 12 dB of synad, so it's super good listening radio. We can do TX really fast, and then we'll hook this up to the monitor radio and see how it sounds, and we'll do we'll try to get a radio check, or at least hear some skip going through it. All right, let me get this cleaned up, back together. Stand by. All right, well, it's all back together. Looking pretty good. I'd say I would rate this at user quality. You know, it's not perfect, but I think that it's still a presentable radio. Another word on these caps as well. So I find that if you have these gray caps, especially this company here, YEC, these caps are getting up there in age, and I find that these gray caps are the worst culprits for going bad. This radio had several bad caps in it, and yeah, it's I find that of all the radios I do, these gray YEC caps seem to be the worst ones. So if you have these in your radio, you know, they're just time bombs, really. So your best bet's getting your radio recapped before something bad happens. But yeah, that's a little information on those caps. But let's see where so the variables in the back. All right, so it goes from this is tough to do with one hand, but key up here. All right, so we have all the way up to 8, and we can go down all the way to like 0, really. So yeah, all the way up to 8. So that's a good range to drive any any amp he's going to be using anyway. So yeah. And let's see what we got here. Audio, 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 audio. All right, like 12. Oh, my gain wasn't all the way up, that's why. Audio, audio, audio. Yeah, like 13. All right, so that's that. And, oh, clarifier. I just cleaned up all these pots and switches. Actually, those three are sealed, but all the pots are cleaned. Clock's working properly. So let's put her on air. See what's going on. Oh, I can actually put it on the monitor radio. All right, stand by. Then we'll do see what's going on Skip. All right, we're on channel 19. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing this Uniden Madison. Sounding really good. Sounding nice and clear. Audio, audio. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a good sounding radio, I think. Yeah, it's set up really nice. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Had the SWR button pressed in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing out this Uniden Madison. All right. I think this radio's sounding really, really good. All right, let's see what's going on out on the air. Stand by. There's Fireball.
While you're here making Florida black out the grid, Uncle Johnny Bravo, I'm gone.
Is that Johnny Bravo? Did he say he's from the West Indies? That's pretty cool.
I drank my Dr. Pepper already. I can't drink another one. I have one more left, but I'm not going to drink 2 Dr. Peppers in one day. I'm going to drink a bunch of water. That's what I'm going to do right now. When I go make this egg sandwich, I'm going to go make me I'm going to go have me a bunch of water. All right, Uncle Johnny Bravo, take care. I'm gone. Yes, sir. I'd help you if I can understand you. You want to try a different channel? In South Carolina, can you go to 415? It got a little better. Keep going.
Motormouth Mall on 28. There's not much going on side bin. Germany again.
World Radio, 3308, Southern Cal. Hey, Roger that. Personal is Pete out here in Southern Cal. We're between LA and Santa Barbara, right on the coast, Oxnard, California, Roger. Hey, Roger that, Jack in the Shack. Have a good day, my friend, till we meet again. 147, 3308, Southern Cal. I got a phone call. Bye-bye.
It's West Germany. I don't know if you guys picked that up. Anyway, That's really it. Skip's not coming in on sideband, but anyway, we got a really good working unit in Madison here. So, oh, wait a minute. Stuttgart, Germany. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching.